Eat more beets to boost recovery, fight inflammation, supports liver health, and help lower blood pressure. Beets, as most of you surely already know, have a robust nutritional profile. They're colorful, acidic, and nutrient-dense, providing lots of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, which boosts overall health. Beets are quite versatile and taste earthy and a little bitter when you eat them raw. However, they're best when paired with bright, sweet, and fresh flavors. Feel free to combine them with salads, soups, and even desserts. Beets are rich in folate, manganese, potassium, and vitamin C. They are relatively low in calories, but high in fiber and water content. These nutrients can give your immune system a boost and keep your health in great shape. Here are some of the health benefits of beets. Fight inflammation. Beets have potent anti-inflammatory properties due to betalains, a type of soluble fiber, which supports digestion. Fight cancer. Beets contain beta-cyanins and other antioxidants, which can reduce the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. Brain health. Full of B-complex vitamins, beets can keep your mind sharp. Additionally, nitric oxide can relax the blood vessels, and improve the blood flow to the brain. Digestive health. Due to their extremely high fiber content, beets can reduce the risk of many different diseases, such as heart disease, colon cancer, and diabetes. Liver detoxification. Betaines in beets help with liver detox. They prevent and reverse the fatty liver naturally. Heart health. Beets are full of heart-healthy minerals. Consuming just a glass of beet juice daily will greatly improve your cardiovascular health. Athletic performance. Beets supply your muscles with iron-rich blood flow, nitrates, and magnesium. It has been scientifically proven that raw beets boost stamina up to 16%. Lowers blood pressure. A daily glass of beetroot juice can help people with hypertension. In fact, beets help to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure levels.